friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Today I am going to teach you all about NCERT Class 6th Chapter 3 Exercise 3.7 questions 6, 7, 8 and 9. So friends, without wasting any time, let's begin with question number 6. So the question number 6 is that the traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. So it is saying that the traffic lights are there at 3 different crossings and they change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. If they change simultaneously at 7 am, at what time will they change simultaneously again? Now it is asking us that it is saying that they all together change at 7 am. Like see, the first light changes after every 48 seconds, the second changes after 72 seconds and the last and the third one changes after every 108 seconds. So like this only they all changed all together at 7 am. Okay, and now we have to find the time, the next time on which they all will change again. Okay, so friends, here we need to find the smallest duration, the smallest time, and smallest is least and least is least common multiple. That means we need to find the LCM. So friends, let's find the LCM of these 3 numbers. So the first one is 48 and then 72 and then 108. Alright. So friends, first we have to look for a common divisor here. So what is the common divisor here? Yes, 2 is the common divisor here and this 4 will go 2 times and it will go 4 times. 24, this will go 3 times and 6 times. 5 and 4, that is 54. Now we have 24, 36 and 54. Again we will take 2. So this will go 1 times, this will go 2 times, 1 times and this will go 8 times, 1 carry over there. This will go 2 times and then this is 7. Okay. Now we have 12, 18 and 27. So here also we are going to take 2 again. Okay. So 12 goes 6 times, 18 goes 9 times, 27 will stay as it is because it does not comes in the table of 2. Now we have 6, 9 and 27. So let's again see. Here also I am going to take 2 for this 6. So this will go 3 times and the others will be staying here only. Okay. Now we have 3, 9 and 27. So here we are going to take 3. So 3 will go 1 time, 3 times and 9 times. Okay. And now we are again going to take 3. This will be 1, 3 and now the last 3, that will be 1. Alright. So we have done the LCM. Let's find now let's find the LCM. So the LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 3. It is 4 times 2. So the last 2 here and now there is 3 times 3, 1 times, 2 times and 3 times. Okay. So let's see. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8 and 8 into 2 is 16. 3 into 3 is 9 and 9 into 3 is 27. So let's multiply this 16 by 27. Okay, so this will be 42 and this will be 12 and 1, that is 16. 0, 7 and 2, that is 13, 1 carry, and this is 432. That means our LCM is 432. Now friends, we have got our LCM, that is 432. Now you see this LCM which we have found is given to us in seconds. Remember this, that whenever you find the LCM which you get in these types of questions is in the seconds form. But friends, we have to find a proper time, and a proper time is not in seconds. Doesn't it looks odd while you're speaking? It is 432 seconds. So we need to convert this into minutes. So what are we going to do? We are going to divide this 432 seconds by 60, because there are 60 seconds in a minute. That means we need to divide 432 by 60. So let's divide. (432) by 60. Alright, so yes, it is 420. Okay, and 420 goes 7 times. Okay, and we have 2 here, 1 is left and this is 0. So friends, you see we have done the division and we have got the remainder 12 and the quotient as 7. Alright, now comes that what is minutes and what is seconds. So your quotient, that is here 7, is the minutes. Alright, and this, the remainder which is 12 here, that is the seconds, and this 7 is in minutes. That means our time is 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Alright, now friends, the last step over here is to add your duration to the given duration, because they all are changing simultaneously at 7 am. So that means we need to add our duration to 7 am. And when you add it, what you get? Yes, 7 minutes, 12 seconds past 7 am. Okay, so this is the, so that is 7 minutes 12 seconds past 7 am's. Now friends, let's see the next question. So friends, the next question says 3 tankers contains 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. So there are 3 tankers that contain 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel in them. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of time. So we have to find a maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel exact number of time. So friends, here you see we have got the word maximum, and you all know what does this means. Maximum means highest and highest means highest common factor. That means here we need to find the HCF of 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters. Friends, here one more thing is there, that till now all the HCF we have found, we have taken all the numbers in a group and found their common divisors, common factors. Friends, here we need to do the factorization method, and in the factorization method we don't group our numbers, we find their factors separately. Okay, so friends, we are going to do the factorization first with 403. Alright, so let's see the factorization of 403. Friends, the first step in these types of method is to look for a factor. Alright, so friends, what is the factor of 403 here? If you will think that it is 2, 3, you will keep on checking, but 403 will directly go by 13. Okay, it will directly go by 13. So this is 40. So 39 is there, and 39 comes 3 times. 1 is carry. So this 3 has become 13, and 13 goes 1 times. Okay, and now we have 31. Same we have to do. We have to look for a factor. 31 is a prime number. That means we are going to take 31 only. Do you remember what are prime numbers? They have only 2 factors, the number itself and 1. So we are going to take the number itself, that is 31. Never take 1 in these types of method. Okay, now 31 is here, that goes 1 times by the table of 31. And now we have got 1, that means we need to end here, we cannot divide further. Now let's see the next number. So the next number is 434. So friends, here we have to look for a factor. What can be the factor here? Yes, we are going to take 2. Okay, so this will go 2 times and 1 times, and 1 is left, so that means this will go 7 times, that is 217. Now friends, look for a factor here of 217. So the factor of 217 is 7. Okay, so this will go 3 times, 21 will go 3 times, and this 7 will go 1 times by the table of 7. Now we have 31. So 31 will go 1 times by the table of 31. As you know, here also we have taken 31, then we have got 1. Now let's see the next number. Next number is 465. Again we are going to take, we can take a factor that is 3. So we are going to take 3 over here. Alright, so this will go 1 times and 1 is carried over, so 5, and this is 155. Now we are going to take 5. Okay, so this will go 3 times and this will go 1 times. Now we have 31. So this will go by 31 1 times. Now we have done the factorization and we have also got the factors. So the second step in this type of method is to note down the factors and look for a common factor in that. Okay, so let's note down the factors of 403. So 13 into 31. You have to write it in a multiplication form. Okay, so 13 into 31 will give us 403. Now comes 434. So let's see of this also. So 434 is equal to 2 into 7 into 31. Alright, and now 465. So 465 is equal to 3 into 5 into 31. Now we have jotted down the factors of our numbers. Now we have to look for a common factor here. So we have a common factor here, that is 31. So you see 31 is common here and no other factor is common in this. So that means 31 is common and that means 31 will be the HCF. As I told you in the beginning that when you have one common factor, then that common factor is the HCF. So here 31 is, that means our HCF is equal to 31. But friends, always don't forget the units, they are very important. So here we have given a unit as liters, that means the answer will be 31 liters. This is our final answer, that is you need to make a container of 31 liters that will measure these three quantities exact number of time. So friends, now let's see the next question. So the next question says, find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leaves remainder 5 in each case. So it is saying that we have to find the smallest number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 always leaves remainder as 5. Okay. So this is a very tricky question. It might get you tricked, but it is very simple and easy. So friends, in these types of questions, first you see least is given. So this gave you a big clue, that is least common multiple. That means here we need to find the smallest multiple, the least common multiple. So let's find the LCM. Alright. So we are going to find the LCM of these three numbers, 6, 15 and 18. Okay. So friends, let's look for a common divisor here. Yes, 3 is a common divisor over here. So 3, this will go 2 times, 5 times and this will go 6 times. Now we have 2, 5 and 6. So here we are going to take 2. So this will go 1 times, this will be 5 only and this will go 3 times. Now 3. So this will be 1 and 5, again 1 and the last digit is 5. So you see we have got the LCM. So let's find out the LCM. LCM is equal to 3 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 3 is 18 and 18 into 5 is 90. So let's write down, that means our LCM is 90 over here. Alright. So the LCM is 90 and now LCM we have got, that is 90, and LCM is divisible by your numbers. It is the smallest multiple, that means it will be divisible by your numbers. That means this 90 will not leave remainder when divided by 6, 15 and 18. So now friends, it is asking to find a number that leaves remainder 5. So for that we are going to add 5 in our LCM. So see, it is 90 plus 5, that is equal to 95. So you see, if you divide 95 by 6, 15 or 18, you will get the remainder as 5. So friends, now let's see the next question. The next question says that find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So we have done these types of questions previous video also. So you see, here we have to find a smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So same step and same method we have to use over here also. So you must be remembering that in some previous questions, first we have found the LCM. So here also first we need to find the LCM. So let's find the LCM. This is 18, this is 24 and this is 32. So friends, here let's look for a common divisor. Of course, we are going to take 2 here. So 18 will go 9 times, 24 will go 1 and 2, that is 12. That means 24 will go 12 times and 32 is here, that will go 1 and 6, that is 16. That means 32 will go 16 times. Now we have 9, 12 and 16. So friends, again we are going to take 2 here. So let's take 2. This will be 9 only because 9 does not come in the table of 2. 12 is here. So 12 goes 6 times and 16 goes 8 times. Again we are going to take 2. 6 goes 3 times and 8 goes 4 times. Now we have 3, 4 and 9. So again we are going to take 2 over here. Alright. So 9 will be 9 only, 3 will be 3 only, 4 will be 2 and the last 2 here. Okay. This will be 1. Now we are going to take 3. So 9 will go 3 times, 3 will go 1 times and this is 1 and the last 3, that gives us 1. So let's find the LCM now. LCM is equal to 5 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Yes, 5 are there and there are 2 3s. So into 3 and into 3. So let's find the LCM. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8 and 8 into 2 is 16 and 16 into 2 is 32 and 3 into 3 is 9. So let's quickly multiply this 32 and into 9. So 9 2s are 18, 8, 1 carry, 9, 3 is 27 plus 1, that is 28. That means our LCM is 288. Alright. So we have got the LCM, that is 288. Now the second step is to look for the smallest 4-digit number in there. So you all know what is the smallest 4-digit number? Well, the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Okay. And friends, now we are going to divide this LCM by the smallest 4-digit number, because any number that is divisible by your LCM is also divisible by your given numbers. Alright. That means if 1000 is divisible by 288, then it means that it should be divisible by 18, 24 and 32 also. So let's divide this. So obviously nobody knows the table of 288. So let's check it with 3. Okay. So it is 24, carry, and now it is 26, 2 carry, and that is 8. So it is 864 and 864 comes 3 times in the table of 288. So we are going to now subtract this 864. So that leaves the remainder as, yes, it is 136 and 3 here. So friends, you see, here we have done the division and we have got a remainder, that is 136. That means 1000 is not divisible by 288. But here at the place of 1000, if there will have been 864, then it could have been divisible by 288. But 864 is a 3-digit number and we need to find a 4-digit number. So friends, Now the last step is to look for the multiple that is of 4 digits in the table of 288. So let's see. So we have done till 3 into 3. Now let's check with 4. So 288 into 4, that is 2, 3 carry. Alright, so 32 and 3, that is 35, 3 carry. Alright, and 4 into 8 is 8 and 1 is 11. Okay, so we have got the answer, that is 1152, and 1152 is what? Yes, it is a 4-digit number and it is also divisible by 288. That means it will also be divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So friends, we have got this 1152 and it is also the first 4-digit multiple of 288. This is the first 4-digit number. Alright, then that means the first 4-digit number is the smallest 4-digit number. Then that means that 1152 is the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So friends, this is much for today. Hope you like it, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Give your suggestions for the next video in the comment box. Till then, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.